Hello dear viewers, quick announcement here. Following a long tradition of this channel, I'll be still posting nonsense, maybe more often than usual. And since I got a black machine you see on a video, and this machine sounds amazing because it's a 3.4 liter naturally aspirated flat 6-cylinder on a stock exhaust. Just yet I decided to improve the quality of the sound on this channel because I want to record it. There'll be further changes to the setup of this exhaust, so expect some changes. Let me know in the comments how you like the new sound quality. Thanks for watching and see you around.